Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer, and here's little Boo Boo.
Yeah, Mama's helping Daddy.
Yeah, all right. Dioscorea Alata vines are going to be hanging off of this lead string here, or lead rope, shall I say. It's about 6 feet off the ground. If we go this way, what you'll see is I'm about to attach a bunch of strings onto here, onto the lead rope, and then move them down to the ground. The Dioscorea Alata vines will then grab onto those and then swirl up and then get up to this area. So that's about what we're going to do. Let me show you the Alata Yam vines that are coming up rapidly now out of the pots. Okay, these things, it got really warm all of a sudden, like 91 degrees the other day, and these things just started shooting up all over the place out of the pots. So we've got them here and in another spot. I'll show you the other spot right now. Here's the other spot, and they should be starting to shoot up everywhere here. Just coming out all over the place. Where else we got them? Right up in here. Boom. So you see all those there. They're just coming out like crazy. Yeah, so we're about to attach these. Let me get the strings hung. Alright, here are some strings. Basically, all I do is I tie them on. Alright. And then I'm going to anchor them down here in the ground. Probably just with like a rock or something. I'll just set it on the string. But what I want to accomplish is to have the vines grab onto these strings, right? And then climb their way up the string. And we're in a pretty, it's almost like a semi-shaded area. It should do well here though. It'll get some sunlight throughout the day, but not so much that it like kills the leaves of the vine from heat. So I'm gonna finish this up real quick and then we'll get the plants in the ground. Alright folks, here we have it. We've tied all the strings up here onto the lead lines. Lead lines were actually set up there. There's a nail there that's about a 3-inch nail. And then there's one over here too. Another 3-inch nail, and that's what's holding that rope up there. That's a 100-foot rope. You don't really need one that long, but that's what we had, so that's what we're using. Strings, I pulled them all the way down to the ground and then provided some slack, some extra slack. And then if you look over here, just for neatness purposes, I kind of twirled a string back up the main string. So whatever slack I had, I just put it up the main string. Anyhow, these should act as leads for these vines. This is the Dioscorea Alata vine. We did get a tremendous amount of success in regard to our late propagation attempts from last year. Now, if I try to propagate this year with a bunch of these vines way earlier on, like say July or June, I'm gonna get a lot more vines as a result, but I'm not sure I need that many. Now you'll see the spacing between them, 28 inches from there to there, and kind of just, you can see these go down. There's a slight slant to them, so this is like a corridor. So we'll see how this works out. This is just one big experiment. These vines will grow extremely fast. They really didn't start coming up until just recently, when it reached like 90 degrees outside in this May. Right now it is May the 11th, 2022. So, and it's oddly cool out right now. It's like 73 degrees. We got a cold front late in the year, which is unusual, but hey, it happens once in a long while. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out a lot. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of this giant experiment with the Dioscorea Alata Yam vine, also titled White Winged Yam. Have a good day.